Violet has been a client of ours for over 15 years, and she has had numerous situations with her medical conditions that we've been caring for. She's had a knee operation, a broken elbow, a fall on her head, and she's still very resilient. So we really enjoy working with Violet, and I think that you'll find that she likes working with us also. Violet, why don't you tell us a little bit about why you need help in your home? What are some of the things that you need?
Well, the bath and my laundry and vacuum and my mop. Them things I can't because it kills me. Mm-hmm. But otherwise, I can do. I do my dishes. Mm-hmm. And stuff like that.
Okay. Why don't you say a little bit about Ashley, the supervising nurse that used to come here? Remember?
Oh, you know something? Sometimes she used to get mad. I get mad at her because she'd tell me this, and I said, no, that's not the way it is. I said, this is the way it's supposed to be. I said, not the way you say it. I said, I'm sorry. And a couple of times I got mad. Mm-hmm. And she said, well, I'll leave and come back another day. I said, no, I get over it.
I would say that working with an agency, we would easily have helped Violet with that situation, but as you can tell, Violet pretty much does things on her own. Why don't we think about, like, what would be your options if you didn't have caregivers coming in?
Oh, God. You know something? I would be miserable and everything else. And you know something, though? I was scared to death to get in the bathtub because the tub was like that. Mm-hmm. And I was scared to death to get over it.
Do you like having a caregiver present so in case there was an emergency?
Yes. She always at that door.
Just in case.
Yeah. I'll tell you something. I would be lost if it didn't have a care worker. I would be. And that's the facts.
Okay. And would you recommend August Home Health to your friends or families?
I sure would.
Hi, now I'd like to introduce to you Margie. We've been caring for Margie for almost 3 years now. She also has a wonderful husband named Ron, and they've been happily married for many years, and they met when she was just 14. First, want to ask you, when did you decide, or how did your family decide that you needed to look for caregivers or have some help in your home?
Well, really, I think it was after I had an operation.
What were some of the problems at home, some of the things you weren't able to do for yourself?
Well, I couldn't do anything because I couldn't walk. I had a foot operation, and they made me stay out from it for 6 weeks. I couldn't stand on it at all. I just was in a wheelchair, back and forth.
How do the caregivers help you get access into the community? Like drive you to the grocery store?
Oh, we go to the grocery store shopping, or to Macy's, or anywhere. Drugstore.
Is it fun to get out of the house?
Yes.
Would you get out of the house in the wintertime if you didn't have caregivers?
Well, maybe once in a while. Yeah, but she does a lot of the driving, so.
Okay. So have you appreciated having like an agency like August Home Health being able to provide services for you?
Yeah, we've both been really pleased with having August Home Health here. I don't know any of the others, but I don't feel that I would ever need to know the others because we've really liked the girls you've sent. Okay. The ladies.
Yeah, good. I'd like to introduce you to Debbie and her father, Michael. Michael has been living independently in an apartment, but had some issues there. And so he's recently moved in with her, and we're taking care of him while she's at work. Would you like to tell me some of the difficulties that you had trying to get help for your dad?
It was very difficult finding decent help in a caregiver for my father, one that I could trust and that I believed was reliable. But in August Home Health Care, I found a great one named Missy. She takes my father fishing. She prepares meals for him. She helps with laundry. Her communication with him is just wonderful. She knows how to communicate with him because my father has dementia. And she's patient, kind, caring. I couldn't have asked for a better caregiver. But I really honestly cannot say any better about Missy. I mean, she really is a godsend. Honestly, she is. Why don't you say something about Missy?
Yes.
Missy.
Yeah, what do you think about Missy? Your caregiver? Do you have anything to say about Missy?
Nice. I like it.
You like that she takes you fishing?
How big of a fish did you catch? Wait, 2 days ago it was this big.
Only it's little.
No.
Yes.
I caught a fish that it's a little dinky fish.
No, it was a good sized rainbow trout, Dad.